Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. I'm here 3 times a week with beauty content for you. Today we are opening this Glossybox. This is the May 2021 Glossybox. How beautiful is this box though? Like, I didn't realise that it was like a special edition box. This lid is getting kept. I do keep the special edition lids. I'm planning on doing like a feature wall with these when I sort this room out. But yeah, I'm going to keep the lid to this. It is stunning and it says "Let the sun shine." I don't know why it's a special edition. Like, is this because it's spring now? It's spring, right? Or is it summer? It's spring. So yeah, whatever the reason, this is really beautiful. Let's open it. Okay, so as always it comes and it says "Let the sun shine." Lovely yellow ribbon, and then you get the book as always. I did get an email the other day saying that the sneak peek that we got last month was wrong and that we'll be getting it next month, which was the ESPA, I think, like cream or something. But then it says here June sneak peek, which is obviously next month, is the Nip and Fab. I don't know what that is, but it's something Nip and Fab. So I'm confused. Are we getting that this month and then the ESPA next month? I have absolutely no idea. Okay, so the first product is Rodial Dragon Blood Eye Masks Hydrate and Tone. I do actually have an affiliate link for Rodial. I will leave a link to these down below. Obviously you don't have to use my affiliate links, but when you do, that does help me like live this life kind of thing. Any money I get from my affiliate marketing and when you use my discount codes, I do put that back into my channel, which I've just bought a camera using that money, so it really does help, and I really am grateful. In fact, this is the very first video I am filming with my new camera. It scares me a little bit. But these are the Dragon Blood Eye Mask Depuffing Biocellulose Eye Masks, and these are, so they are a full-size item. It says top tip, a cooling effect leaves under the eyes refreshed. Okay, I don't really think that's a top tip. Is that not like common knowledge? And then it says brighten your eyes with these innovative gel eye masks. Great for providing intense hydration to your delicate eye area thanks to hyaluronic acid, as well as providing an immediate depuffing and cooling effect as a result of dragon's blood from the Croton Lichleri tree. I don't know. Eyes will look instantly brighter and more alert. Hyaluronic acid, I cannot speak today. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It draws water in towards it. So these are definitely going to be hydrating, and honestly, the whole reason I don't have eye makeup on today is because my eyes and my eye area are very dry and sensitive today. So these are probably going to be put on like right after this video. I'm going to take my BB cream off, stick these on, and have an early night. So yes to these. Next product is Ciate, and this is the Define Liner. I don't think I've ever tried anything Ciate. Again, I do have an affiliate link to Ciate. My friend Kerry, who I will link her channel down below, she loves the Ciate foundation. She's done a review on it. She loves their foundation. So I'm hoping that this is as good as like the reputation that I know of Ciate leads me to believe. This is a full-size product, so the recommended retail price of the eye patches was $6. This is $18. This is a gold definer liner. Line and define your eyes with the CRT London's ultra fine precision liner in a gorgeously golden shade, featuring a built-in sharpener at its base. This liner will always have the perfect point, ensuring it's always sharp and ready to use. And then top tip for brighter eyes, use on the inner corners of your lids. I want to see this. Not that satisfying. Ooh, that is a nice fine point. That is nice. I don't know if you can see this. And then the sharpener is on the end. Hopefully you can see that. That is pretty. Next product is from the brand Mindtan. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. This is a deluxe mini. The top tip is a cold shower before use will hydrate sunburnt skin further. Okay. And then it says, save your skin from sunburn this summer with this rapid recovery after sun gel for faster, more effective relief that revitalizes the skin. This gel is enriched with powerful key ingredients. A natural anti-inflammatory, aloe vera soothes whilst providing a protective layer to the skin. Niacinamide helps retain hydration and reduces the appearance of sun damage with fine lines. The RRP for this deluxe mini, which is 50ml, is $13.35. The full size is 117ml and is £28.60, which those are weird prices. But yeah, I don't have a problem with this. Like, I do use aloe vera, but I don't go in the sun that much to need it for after sun properties. Top tip: don't use aloe vera for sunburn. Use natural Greek yogurt, slather it on and let it dry. Go to sleep in it. Like, it'll make your bed a mess, but then the next morning you can like shower that off and it just takes the heat out of sunburn. It is amazing. I learned that top tip in Greece when I was about 16 years old. I got terrible sunburn. I sat down on a wicker chair and skin came off my legs, and one of the locals actually told me to slap myself in Greek yogurt. Best tip I ever came across. Aloe vera, I suppose it will work, but in my experience Greek yogurt does a better job. Next we have something Lottie London. What is this? Lottie London Golden Hour. I will have a look at what this is in a second. So the sheet says, layer up for a more striking glam look, which is the top tip. This is a full size worth $6.95 and it says Power Foil Golden Hour. Pack on the power with Power Foil. This versatile high coverage metallic gold eyeshadow is designed to give an intensive foil finish. In just one swipe, looks stunning, both blended out and natural and layered up to create a more glam, more glowy eye look. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? What is this? Okay, this is beautiful. Can we see this? That is stunning. I was expecting like a loose pigment, but it's compacted in there really nicely. Oh, can we see this? Is this going to be another case of lights needing? There we are. That is stunning. I like the fact that they've teamed like two gold products together. You could do this on the lid, use the pencil on the inner corner, and maybe like just a brown smoke, and then this. that would be beautiful, especially like weddings and proms and that sort of stuff. That would be gorgeous. I'm very happy that I have this actually, and I don't know if I've got anything Lottie London, honestly. It's not a brand that I tend to go for. Yeah, that is getting used. And then what we have next, I think this is the last product. This is the last product. Top tip, pair with Coochies? Surely no, it's called Coochie. Coochie? Coochie? Queshy? I don't know. Lemon body milk for soft scented skin. This is a full size product and it is a lemon shower gel. Ooh. That literally smells like you've just cut up in a lemon. That is stunning. That smells amazing. Very fresh, obviously. Summer smell. That is really nice. But can we see this? That is Coochie. Coochie? I don't know. So this natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day. With revitalizing lemon and chamomile extracts, it carefully cleanses the skin whilst respecting your skin's natural pH and leaves behind a refreshing scent. Recommended retail is £5.70. I'm gonna be honest, £5.70 for a little bottle like this, which is 200ml or 6.76 fluid ounces. I would not spend more than like £2 on. The only time I will spend like money on like shower gel is like the Body Shop, and even then that is a rarity. Shower gel just doesn't seem to be like something I'm willing to splash out on, especially having an 8-year-old who likes to make potions in the bath and use like half a bottle of like the big stuff. Yeah, I like the smell, I like the idea, and I like the information I have about this, but I would not spend £6 on this. Like literally like the size of my hand. But I will use it. And then on the back, the June sneak peek, which I'm guessing is wrong, it says, with summer days very much on their way, our dreaming of paradise glossy couldn't come any sooner. To give your skin a head start on summer, you're going to love the beauty buys inside, including this energizing and illuminating vitamin C scrub from Nip and Fab. Okay, so I don't know if we're getting that or the one that we got that we were sneaked last month. Who knows? But yeah, okay. That is everything in this month's box. So, what is, I mean, that's a pretty good like roundup when you think about it. Like, just the aloe vera, that is £13.35. I think I spent like £13.50 on the full box with postage and packaging. I do have the 12-month contract, but like that means that this is the price of the box including shipping. So then you've got the shower gel, the Lottie London, and the dragon blood masks and the eyeliner for free, basically. Like, I can't say that is not a good deal. I'm very happy with this box. Yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to become one of my coffee beans, there is a link in the description box below. Come and join the fam. If not, then that's fine too. Comment down below, what can we do today? What emoji we can do. I don't know. I will put it up on the screen. I will think of something. My brain is not quite working. I am so tired. I will put a comment emoji somewhere on the screen. Comment that below if you got this far in the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.